Before a meeting with military advisors over Syria, and angry President Donald Trump blasted a new federal investigation into personal attorney Michael Cohen.
It's a disgraceful situation. It's a total witch hunt. I've been saying it for a long time. I've wanted to keep it down. We've given, I believe, over 1 million pages worth of documents to the special counsel.
The investigation into Cohen stems from Special Prosecutor Robert Mueller's probe into Russia's meddling in the 2016 presidential election. Mueller apparently found information about Cohen that he turned over to federal prosecutors. Cohen has been under scrutiny for admitting that he paid adult film star Stormy Daniels $130,000 less than 2 weeks before the election. Daniels claims the payment was hush money over an affair with the president. Trump denies the affair and any knowledge of the payment. But a former federal prosecutor says the documents confiscated in Monday's raid could show a connection between the president and the porn star.
It is very unusual for a lawyer to have his office served a search warrant by the FBI. And that means it happens when there's something called the crime fraud exception. So there is obviously a belief by somebody who's looked at the evidence that Mr. Cohen and his client, Mr. Trump, may have been involved in some kind of criminal activity.
Cohen's attorney says his client is cooperating with investigators, but said the decision by the U.S. Attorney's Office in New York to conduct their investigation using search warrants is completely inappropriate and unnecessary. It resulted in the unnecessary seizure of protected attorney-client communications between a lawyer and his clients. The new investigation could put President Trump on a collision course again with Special Prosecutor Robert Mueller, who he threatened to fire last summer and who he now says has stepped over a line. Diane Estabrook, Al Jazeera, Washington.